cork line, also sometimes used inside of headphone ear cups to absorb the back wave. It's an open cell material. The wave goes in, gets lost, doesn't come out, doesn't bounce back, interfere with itself. Also, some headphones, like closed back headphones, like for example the Focal Stellia, have a bunch of little bumps in the back. Should diffuse it. Here, cameraman, get in here. Let me show you what happens with this cork. So not only is it a damping material, but it is also a diffuser. So what this results in is headphones with a very clean and crisp, think, the opposite of reverb. So you get a very dry, very detailed sound. Like you can hear the waves of the bass and everything. Also, they look to me like a little like Hellraiser pinhead, that movie. Oh, where are we going? Cameraman's turning around. Uh-oh, don't know where I'm going. Could be going anywhere. They also sit like this. And when I walk around like this, nobody knows. Everybody's like, what are you? Oh, the cameraman's walking fast. Here we go. All right, anyway, these are called, cameraman, what are these called?
Grand Crew.
Grand Crew. These are the Grand Crew headphones from Pud's Small Batch Head. By the way, I'm Philip from Pud's Small Batch Headphones. These are the Grand Crew headphones. Go to pud.com to see them. And by the way, I know everybody here, cameraman, come over here. I'm a little embarrassed to say this next part. This is a brand new, I'm not a YouTuber. I just want to show, I'm like a headphone maker, I guess. I'm embarrassed to say like and subscribe, but do it. If you want to know about more of these headphones, especially if I ever end up selling them. There's a brand new channel. I have zero views and subscribers, so this will be interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Grand Crew. Go to pud.com to learn more. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of my stuff, and if I ever sell them, and if I do, I'll sell them for cheap. Thanks for watching.